11th math student, see some more problem from exercise 7.1. Topic is permutation. See question number 4. In this question there are 10 digits from 0 to 9. How many 5-digit numbers can be found starting with 67? Means in first two place you will fix 6 and 7. Then remaining places, 3 remaining places can be filled up from the remaining digits. Remaining digits are 8. So for third place there are 8 digits, means 8 option. For next place 7 option. For next place 6 option. By formula also you can do. When you fix 2 digits in first 2 places, then you will have only 8 digit, and from 8 digit here you have to fill up 3 places. So by formula it is written as 8p3, that is factorial 8 upon by factorial n upon factorial n minus r. So factorial 8 upon factorial 8 minus 3. After solving you will get 336. And first method is place filling method. You can do in this way also. Okay. Now see one more question. Question number 5. A coin is tossed 3 times. Here you have to write all possible results, outcomes. So when a coin is tossed, you can see in sample space, coin in all 3 times it may show head, or all in times it may show tail. One head, 2 tail, there will be 3 sets. For one head, 2 tail, HTT or THT or TTH. 2 head, 1 tail, HTH, HST, STH or THH. Means total number of outcomes NS is 8. Or by place filling method, means a coin is tossed 3 times. So for first place there are 2 options, means it may show head or tail in first time. Second time also it may show head or tail, 2 options. Third times again it may show head or tail, 2 options. Then 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube is 8. Now see question number 6. What is in this question? The question is, in question number 6, given 5 flags of different color, how many different signal can be generated? Each single signal requires use of 2 flags. So each signal requires use of 2 flags, means in first time you can show from 5 flags 1 color you can show, means for first time there are 5 options. In next time when you show in first time 1 color, then for next time means second time you can show 1 color from remaining 4. So total number of signal can be generated 5 into 4. This is the place filling method, means for first time there are 5 options. Why? Because you have 5 colors. Now when you used 1 color in first time, then for second time you will have 4 colors, means you can show 1 color in second time from 4, means there will be 4 options. So total number of signals 5 into 4, that is 20. Okay. Now exercise, some problems from exercise 7.2. In this exercise only you have to solve the factorial and how to break the factorial, you know. So question number first, second part, factorial 4 minus factorial 3. You can break it 4, 3, 2, 1 and minus 3, 2, 1 and solving it. In next question number 4, here also you have to break the factorial and find the value of x. So you will break big part or big number. Okay, so factorial 6 plus 1 by factorial 7 you can write 7 into factorial 6. Remember here, if you have to write 2 factor as factorial n, so in 2 factor you can write n into 1 less n minus 1. So n into factorial n minus 1. With factorial you can stop. Okay. तो 1 by factorial 6 plus 1 by factorial 7 you can write 7 into factorial 6 in two factors is equal to on the right side x upon factorial 8 you can write 8 into 7 into when you have to stop here to factorial 6. तो x upon 8 into 7 into factorial 6. Factorial 8 can be written in 3 parts. Okay, now from left side 1 by factorial 6 taken out common, within bracket you will have 1 plus 1 by 7, and on the right side it is x upon 8 7 56 into factorial 6. From the denominator both side factorial 6 you can cancel, then on the left side you will have only 8 by 7, and on the right side x by 56. After solving you get the value of x is 64. Okay, so you can do all questions from exercise 7.2 in this, only you have to break the factorial. Clear? Now see one more topic of the permutation. When in given n things, all things are not different, means some things repeats similar things. So in n things, if some things repeats p times means 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So in unknown quantity you can take p times. Some more things repeat q times, then number of permutation taking all the things at a time, or number of arrangement when you arrange in a row. So in how many ways you can arrange when some things are repeats. So factorial n you will remember here, you can use this formula for number of permutation or number of arrangement. Factorial n upon factorial p into factorial q means repeated number of repeated things with factorial you can divide. Okay, for example, if there are 3 digit 1 1 2 means 1 digit repeat here 2 times. In the given digit all digits are not different, so 1 digit repeat 2 times. When you form the 3 digit numbers taking all the digit at a time, so here practically you can see here, so you can form 3 digit number 112 or 121 or 211. Only 3 types of number, 3 digit number you can form. By formula you can write here for 3 digit number of digits at 3 means factorial 3 upon dividing by the number of repeated digit. So 1 repeat 2 times, so here you will divide factorial 2. So after solving you will get 3. One more example you can see here, the word is Allahabad. In this word first total number of letter is 9. Now write the repeated letter. In this Allahabad, a letter repeat 4 times, a letter repeat 2 times. So taking all the letter at a time when you arrange in a row, so by formula you will write here total number of letter 9 means factorial 9 upon dividing by the number of repeated letter. So factorial 9 upon factorial 4 for a and factorial 2 for n. So factorial n upon factorial 4 into factorial 2. So this much is number of arrangement or number of permutation. Okay.